Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add lightning eyes to your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video. I'm just going to add it to the track. Go to effects and go to body effects instead of video effects, and you are going to find the lightning eyes one. Hopefully it's somewhere. Okay, it's in headwear. So select the headwear effect, and as you can see, there's flame eyes, lightning eyes, eye reflection, revolve text, lightning, love struck, loving gaze, and hovering hand. So you're just going to select this lightning one, and you're also going to select this lightning eyes one, and you're going to add it. Here you can, I'm just going to delete that. Here you can change the colors. As you can see, maybe you want a pink one instead of which one did we have? A purpley blue one. I'm just going to slide it to the left over here. You can also adjust the filter here too, and the strength of the lightning, and also the glow, and maybe the range. You can adjust it here. So just adjust as you go. But that is it really for this video. Super simple actually, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!